Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how to insert landscaping, trees and cars in Revit. Now we have to go to masking and site, select topo solid, create from sketch, select site level, take rectangle. Now go to 3D. We can see like this. In topo solid, if we have to add water also, we can add for swimming pools. Now go to architecture, site level, wall. For compound wall, we can select any of these. I am selecting generic 4 brick. Here we have to select finish face exterior. After inserting the wall, we have to see in the 3D view. See here. Now we have to insert plants. Go to site mode. In architecture, go to component, place a component, load family. Here in Revit 2026, we have to go to library. In library, we have to select English. After selecting English, in that we have Indian, UK and US. We have to go to UK. For plantation, here we have planting. We have so many of plants here. We can select conifer trees, deciduous trees, tropical trees. I am selecting deciduous. I've already used here, so I am using planting tree deciduous. I am taking small plant. We can directly place here. Now I am taking bigger tree. Again select small. Now I am selecting shrubs. Whichever shrubs you can select. Escape. Go to 3D mode. See how it has been placed. Now go to level 1. For inserting cars, architecture, component, place a component. Again load family. In that select enterage. Here I have one car. You can place it wherever you want. Go to 3D mode. It's already inserted. Thank you.